Day 4, 1981 Suzuki GS750L. Hey everybody, sorry it's been a couple days. We're calling this day 4, but it's more like day 6. But this is update 4, so we'll make it that way. Carburetors on this thing are the worst I've ever seen, and I've been rebuilding carburetors since my early teens. First carburetor I rebuilt was on one of those old Honda Elite scooters before I could even spell carburetor, and these things were terrible. But we got them done, and that's the main thing. I mean, it's embarrassing to say it took 9 hours. But I really took my time, cleaned every single piece, and just absolutely made sure that they're in meticulous condition. So that's what it took. If you could have done it faster, more power to you. In this case, I felt like it was warranted. But here's a look. So there they are. And let's see here. See, everything moves as it should. Chokes pulling out. But I mean, you can see, yeah, it took a lot of time, but I mean, I cleaned everything on here mechanically. Chemicals helped breaking up a lot of the residue and things on there, but I mechanically cleaned all these as well. So, I mean, they looked rough. I'll throw another picture in to remind you how bad they were when we got started, but there they are. So probably going to finish up the Virago at this point. All the parts should be here: throttle cables, fuel sender, the choke kit for the Virago. So probably going to finish that up before we do any more on the Suzuki. But we'll be coming back with more real soon.